All right, let's get this section started. So to get the data set, you need to go to superdatascience.com/training. And then here, if you scroll down, you'll see part 1 visualization. And we need the first data set, which is office supplies. So go ahead and download that. And once you've downloaded it, put it in your folder. So I've created here a folder on my desktop, which is visualization section. And I've got my 3 sections over here, and I'm just putting it in the first folder. And once you have the file, let's open it up. So it's a CSV file, and basically it means it's like a text file, but separated with commas. And you can totally open it with Notepad. So I'm going to use Notepad++ to open it up. And here what you can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. And there's quite a few rows. So 43 rows in total. Now, if you don't feel like opening this file with Notepad++, because it is kind of out of alignment, the columns are not exactly under each other, you're welcome to open it with Excel. So let me bring that up here and just drag it into Excel like that. And what do we have here? So this is a file which represents a store that sells stationery, as you can see from here. And it operates in a couple of regions, so East, Central, and West, 3 regions in total. It's got quite a few representatives. It's got like an item description. So these are sales. Well, how many sales did these people make? And as you can see, these are bulk sales. And there's the unit price over here per each unit sold. And the challenge for this data set is that the management wants to know who made the most sales in dollars for this period that's reflected in this data set. Looks like a financial year, so a financial year that starts in July and ends in June. And the person who made the most sales in dollar terms in each region gets a bonus. So there's a total of 3 bonuses to hand out, and they will only go to the person who made the most sales in each region. And management wants you to find that out. And there we go. So we're going to use this example to practice Tableau. And off we go to the races. We'll get started in the next tutorial.